Introducing the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. This versatile three-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat, premium sound system, power liftgate, heated mirrors, dual zone AC. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.